Alright, Tesla fan, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and use custom voice commands in your Tesla for a more personalized driving experience. You can actually follow along the steps at the top left. I've added for you the outline. So, what you want to do, guys, is you want to start by pressing and holding the voice command button on the right side of the steering wheel. This will actually bring up the voice recognition prompt on the screen. So, look, Tesla actually already comes with, built-in voice commands like, turn on climate or play a song, right? Try these out actually to get a feel for how a voice control actually works. Now, look, Tesla doesn't officially support custom command programming, but you can create your own set of phrases for common actions. For example, instead of navigate to home, you might say, let's go home. Okay, your Tesla will understand and execute similar commands. So you don't have to say the exact same things, okay? You can say similar stuff and it will understand, okay? It has a smart interface. So remember that Tesla's voice recognition adapts over time. So you want to try out your faces a few times to help the system recognize them better. This flexibility, guys, actually makes it easy, okay, to makes it easier, to use commands that feel natural for you. Now, guys, that is it. And go ahead, hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade your ride even further, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. Come on. And check that link.